Hi there and welcome to Glenchester Lakes. My name is Taylor. I'm one of Casto's leasing consultants. Today I'm going to take you on a tour of our one bedroom, one bathroom, garden style apartment. Come on.
As soon as you enter this apartment, you have your living room and dining space. It is so open and naturally lit. This will lead us to our coat closet right here and kitchen, which is fully applianced for you with a stove, oven, refrigerator, dishwasher, and dual sink. Also take note of all of your cabinetry. All of our one bedrooms, one bathrooms also have outside space. In here, you're going to have your washer and dryer hookup, as well as your HVAC and utility closet. Our bathroom is a single vanity shower tub combo. Your bedroom can easily hold a king set, but this is a queen here for show. And it also has a huge walk-in closet.
Thank you so much for taking a tour with us here today. Please don't hesitate to reach out to the office with any questions. We can't wait to get you all moved in.